and welcome back to Hagan's New Jersey PIP Tips, where we bring you monthly segments of New Jersey auto insurance personal injury protection, otherwise known as PIP. It's good to be back. It's been a few months off as I've been really busy with business, with home life, doing a lot of great things. But it's exciting to be back. Today we're going to be talking about a recent presentation that I gave to a prominent personal injury law firm in New Jersey. We'll also talk about the fall thank you gift that I just sent out and should be receiving shortly. We have our feature provider of the month, the Center for Functional Restoration of the Spine. And of course, we'll pick this month's winner. So we're entering the scary season, so let's get right to it. So as I indicated, I've been very busy lately. Son going off to college, class action lawsuit, things going forward. However, what I just recently did was I gave a presentation on New Jersey PIP to the law firm of Levinson and Axelrod. They asked me to come in and speak to their whole office this past Saturday morning, covering various topics on PIPs, from the basics of what PIP is, how do you elect different coverages, to the arbitration process, doing questions and answers on different things that they experience as personal injury attorneys that sometimes come up in their cases, and also best practices of what they should be doing with the PIP auto insurance on their files for their clients. It was a great opportunity. They're an awesome firm with offices throughout the state, and it was great having them in person and then others appearing via Zoom. So it was my privilege to be with them. Now, if you're interested in something like this, either for your medical office or your personal injury firm, I can come and give a presentation on PIP, covering any type of topic you want to cover under PIP. I have some areas that I always try to hit on, but I can customize it just for your office. And of course, the Q&A, where I can answer your employees' questions, things that they might not be sure of, that they're doing, and they want to confirm it's correct, and however you want. If you're interested in doing that, please call me at 732-722-2911, or you can email me at sean@seanhaganlaw.com. I'd be more happy to come out to you either in person, we can do it via Zoom, and absolutely no cost to you. I do this as a courtesy to people who refer me work, who have PIP issues, particularly in New Jersey. So take me up on it, and I look forward to speaking to you. Next, I want to let you know that my fall thank you gifts have gone out. They are our magazines that's customized for our office with some great fall articles in it, from food to seasonal celebrations to charities. And so I look forward to you receiving them. If for some reason you didn't, please contact me. I'll get you a copy and get it out to you right away. Sometimes addresses don't appear or they get returned. What else? We got the holidays coming up, which we're going to get right into another busy season. So I hope you start off with a nice, spooky but fun Halloween, then right into Thanksgiving, and then the end of year holidays and New Year's. So I look forward to celebrating it with my friends, family, and of course with you. Next, I want to cover this month's feature provider of the month. It's the Center for Functional Restoration of the Spine. As you can see from their website here, they have 3 offices in New Jersey, in Shrewsbury, Toms River, and Edison. Their focus is on the spine, doing some of the most complicated spine surgeries that can be done. The doctors' credentials are impeccable, state-of-the-art, advanced training. And they also do, in addition to the spine, orthopedics. You can contact them by either calling 732-380-1212, or you can actually go onto the website, as you see here, and fill out an online contact, and they'll get in touch with you quickly. Again, some of the procedures that they do are the highly involved and injured spine conditions, requiring advanced spine surgeries that can be very delicate, serious, and costly. I know I've handled several arbitrations for their surgeries to get them reimbursed by the New Jersey PIP, and we've been successful. So again, please, if in need, reach out. If for some reason you have any difficulties contacting them, you can always contact me and I can set up the relationship. So thank you. So let's get to this month's selection. As you know, each month we have a drawing for the feature provider of the month for the next video. All you have to do is any type of communication with my office, whether it's email, phone call, fax, stopping in even, sending your PIP arbitrations to be filed at no cost to you. So every time we have a contact with you, we put your ticket in and you can be selected. If you don't get selected this month, there's always next month, so keep those arbitration files and communications coming to my office. As you can see, it's rather full this month since we have been off for a little bit. But I wish everybody the best and good luck. Let's see who the winner is. So this month's winner is Synergy Pharmacy. Congratulations, Synergy Pharmacy. I'll be in contact with you to be featured in next month's video. Well, we hope you enjoyed this month's video, and hopefully this face isn't as scary as the one that started. As always, we're never too busy for your kind PIP and personal injury referrals. We appreciate you watching and our relationship. I look forward to seeing you in the near future. Thank you, and God bless.